Hi, I'm Tammy of A Peach Life, and today I'm going to share with you a look inside my Traveler's Company TN, Traveler's Notebook, and my setup for 2023. So I will give you a little look here. Just right in the beginning, I keep it really simple, is how I start my year off. We have Thomas joining us again. So he really likes to rub up against and bump the little camera handle here. Hi, buddy. He hasn't joined in on the videos in quite a long time. And oh my goodness, keep it moving. And boy, all of a sudden he really wants to join in. I'll give you a little peek. Look at him. He's so cute right there. Hi, Tommy. Hi. Okay, that's the little handle making noise. Okay, so here's my little cover for 2023. My inserts are all Traveler's Company, and I just sort of decorate them with like a lot of little mixture of stickers and things that I hang on to. This one's still like a little work in progress, so as I get little special stickers and things, I'll add them in. That's sort of like the fun of it. So it has a little decorating going on. And then my December. So I went ahead and started it for December, and we are now getting ready to start January 1st. And so that is a little look at my monthly, a little back. This really is a little hodgepodge of different collections and stickers and papers and so on. This is my Traveler's Company weekly insert. And again, I just sort of started decorating. So if you watch my videos as you go along, you'll notice these get fuller and fuller with all sorts of decorations. And again, this is the weekly. And then the back cover. What are you doing, silly? And then the front cover, this is just for note taking, jotting things down. I kind of call it a catch-all. I don't really enjoy the term like brain dump or something like that. I try to keep it like uplifting and goodness and something positive, I guess is what I'm trying to say. A positive word. I'm not dumping anything. I'm catching it all. Any of those thoughts and ideas and stuff, I want to catch it all. And so I have, and you could pick like the dot, the grid. Right now I'm using a blank, and I'm sort of just jotting things down that I may need. And again, this is my new one, so it's fresh. You could see I've already started adding quite a bit of stickers in here. It's just kind of what inspires me or what I've gotten. The back. I love the little back of this one. So cute. And then I have a little pocket here. And right now I'm trying to start off pretty clean for the new year. So that's always like a nice little touch. I added this Disney patch in. I'm sure I could find the name of the company if somebody would like to know, but gosh, it's just right on the tip of my tongue, I feel like. I keep the little charm on here, which I just love for dividing and stuff. So there's just a little look at my setup in my Traveler's Company passport size with the monthly, weekly, and a blank insert, and just sort of how I decorated it. I like to keep it really simple for my on-the-go, and it's nice and small that it fits in most of my little bags and totes and purses and what have you. So that is why the passport size is something that I've really stuck with, especially as a little everyday carry. I do use other sizes for like art journals and so on, and you'll see those in past and future videos of mine. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I answer all of them. If you'd like, I have a Peach Life Facebook group to join us over there. We're doing lots of fun stuff for the new year. And I hope this gives you a little idea for a simple everyday carry for yourself. Thanks so much. Thomas, you want to say? Hi. Okay, I pass over to Thomas because we have a lot. girls who have been following and are part of our group who know Thomas, and he's been a little MIA and absent, so there he was. So I wish you guys all a very happy new year.